مرحبا اسمي عبد الرحمن وكنت ترورقت ببلد نيجيريا وحافظ القرآن. أنا خريج من مدرسة ثانوية وحاصل على الدرجة الثانوية وكنت معلم أكثر من 100 طفل الحروف الهجائية وتركيب الكلمات والحوار. Hi, my name is Abdurrahman. I'm a tutor of the Arabic language with 11 years of experience. I have taught over 100 students the recitation of the Quran, Arabic alphabets, word construction. I teach beginners all the way to the senior intermediate level, and I also teach conversational Arabic, particularly to working professionals as well as business people. You stand to gain two things if you choose me as your tutor: Islamic knowledge based on reading and understanding using bilingual translation. And secondly, you will learn spoken Arabic with the Saudi dialect called Fusha in Arabic. See you online. Fi amanillahi wa ila liqa'i. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.